Hey folks, OpenAI has just released a new cost-effective and compact model named GPT-4o Mini. This move comes as a direct response to the growing popularity of Claude Haiku. Let us understand the what and why. Essentially, GPT-4o Mini is a smaller, much more affordable version. According to OpenAI, they want to be applicable to a broader community, and that's why they have released it. But we all know the real reason why it came at this point of time. Being small plus intelligent, this makes GPT-4o Mini an attractive option for developers and businesses who need robust AI solution without the hefty price tag. A small-sized model, which is highly intelligent, very similar to GPT-4o, is definitely a power pack blow on the cloud. Let us come to the main part, which is the pricing. All these pricings are without the batching API. So if you are using GPT-4o, then you will have to pay 5 USD per 1 million input tokens and 15 USD for 1 million output tokens. If you compare it with Gemini 1.5 Pro, it looks like Gemini is dirt cheap, which is $0.35 and $0.70 respectively for input and output tokens. Then came Claude Haiku in the game, which completely changed the game of pricing to 0.25 USD per 1 million token and 1.25 USD. To answer to the Claude, OpenAI has come up with GPT-4o Mini, which is like double dirt cheap, $0.15 and $0.60. This is good in the sense because a lot of people who are tired of their bosses, they will be able to experiment and create their own OpenAI wrapper products. It looks like it's a win-win. Let's look at some of the benchmarks. Currently on MMLU benchmark, which is a textual intelligence and reasoning benchmark, GPT-4o stands at 82%. Well, OpenAI says that Gemini Flash in comparison stands at 78% and Claude at 73.8%. So it looks like that GPT-4o Mini is a clear winner. Similarly, on maths and coding benchmarks, GPT-4o Mini stands at 87%. According to OpenAI, Gemini Flash stands at 75.5% and Claude Haiku at 71.7%. Again, the difference is huge and the price difference is also huge. For multimodal reasoning capabilities, GPT-4o Mini stands at 59.4% compared to 56.1% for Gemini Flash and 50.02% for Claude Haiku. This is the evaluation benchmark report that they have come up with. Look at the orange pillars. Well, if I am not colorblind, it is orange. And every time you will notice GPT-4o is a clear winner, but GPT-4o Mini that is standing just behind GPT-4o. And the price difference is literally more than 10x. And that's why GPT-4o gives the vibe of so good, so beautiful, just looking like a wow. Let's give it a hands-on try to have a high-level understanding of what it is capable of and how it works. Let me open up my Postman window. Basically, I'm trying to classify a piece of text. Basically, for a given piece of text, I'm telling the model to return me a JSON with these key and value pairs, which are toxic, indecent, threat, and so on. This is my user prompt, which says I'm not insulting you, I'm describing you. Let's first give it a try with GPT 3.5 Turbo. We have the results. It says it is not toxic, but it is quite a lot offensive and indecent, which sounds correct to me. Now let's give it a try with GPT-4o. That's the highest priced model with the best capabilities. Well, this time GPT-4o says that it is definitely toxic to some extent. It is a indecent sentence. Also, it is offensive. Now let me try out GPT-4o Mini. And this time it says that it is a little bit toxic, not indecent, and not offensive, which is super incorrect. We can see that GPT-4o can return things in JSON, but at least as per my experience, it is not working as good as GPT 3.5. Well, I mostly use for classification tasks, and maybe it is not optimized for classification tasks, and I should give it more of a try. Well, OpenAI, I still want to keep my hopes high for GPT-4o Mini, so please give it some more time and come up with something amazing. Thank you, everyone. Bye.